What is GitHub? GitHub is a website and service that we hear geeks rave about all the time, yet a lot of people don't really understand what it does. Want to know what all the GitHub Hub is about? Watch till the end. What is GitHub? A beginner's introduction to GitHub. GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. At a high level, GitHub is a website and cloud-based service that helps developers store and manage their code, as well as track and control changes to their code. The Git and Git Hub. To understand GitHub, you must first have an understanding of Git. Git is an open-source version control system. But what does that mean? When developers create something, they make constant changes to the code, releasing new versions of code after the first official release. Version control systems keep these revisions straight, storing the modifications in a central repository. This allows developers to easily collaborate, as they can download a new version of the software, make changes, and upload the newest revision. Every developer can see these new changes, download them, and contribute. Similarly, people who have nothing to do with the development of a project can still download the files and use them. Git is the preferred version control system of most developers, since it has multiple advantages over the other systems available. It stores file changes more efficiently and ensures file integrity better. The Hub in GitHub. We've established that Git is a version control system, similar but better than the many alternatives available. So, what makes GitHub so special? Git is a command line tool, but the center around which all things involving Git revolve is the hub, github.com, where developers store their projects and network with like-minded people. Let's go over a few of the main reasons that geeks like to use GitHub, and learn some terminology along the way. Repository. A repository is a location where all the files for a particular project are stored. Each project has its own repo, and you can access it with a unique URL. Forking a repo. Forking is when you create a new project based off of another project that already exists. This is an amazing feature that vastly encourages the further development of programs and other projects. If you find a project on GitHub that you'd like to contribute, you can fork the repo, make the changes you'd like, and release a revised project as a new repo. The repository you fork to create your new project gets updated, you can easily add those updates to your current pull requests. You fork the repository, data revisions to the project, and the official project. You can do so by creating a pull request. The authors of the original repository can see your work, then choose whether or not to accept it into the official project. Whenever you issue a pull request, GitHub provides a perfect medium for you and the main project's maintainer to communicate. Social networking. The social networking aspect of GitHub is probably its most powerful feature, allowing projects to grow more than just about any of the other features offered. Each user on GitHub has their own profile that acts like a resume of sorts, showing your past work and contributions to other projects via pull requests. Project revisions can be discussed publicly, so past and expert can share their knowledge and collaborate to advance a project forward. Before the advent of GitHub, developers interested in contributing to a project would usually need to find summaries of project and the authors, then convince them to trust in their contributions. by selling hosted private code repositories, as well as other business-focused plans that make it easier for organizations to manage team members and security. GitHub isn't just for developers. All this talk about how GitHub is ideal for programmers may have you believing that they are the only ones who will find it useful. Although it's a lot less common, you can actually use GitHub for any types of files. If you have a team that is constantly making changes to a Word document, for example, you could use GitHub as your version control system. This practice isn't common, since there are better alternatives in most cases, but it's something to keep in mind. Now that you know what GitHub is all about, are you ready to get started? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification.